Welcome to Rocksensor, redefining precision and reliability in process instrumentation. In this video, we'll guide you step by step on how to change the unit of mass flow in the RF3200 Coriolis Mass Flowmeter. Let's get started. First, to enter the main menu, simply press the Enter button, E on your Flowmeter display. Next, use the up and down buttons to scroll through the options until you reach Config. Once you've highlighted Config, press the Enter button, E, to select it. Inside the Config menu, scroll down and select Fconfig by pressing Enter, E. Now, navigate to Parameter/Unit and press Enter, E. Under this option, select Mass F Unit and press Enter, E again. Now, you will see a list of mass flow units available. Simply use the up or down buttons to select the unit you want to change to. Once you've made your choice, press Enter, E, to confirm. And that's it. You've successfully changed the mass flow unit in your RF3200 Coriolis Mass Flowmeter. For more expert guides and product insights, visit our website. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more tutorials. Hit the bell icon to stay updated with our latest videos. See you in the next one.